Hello, my name's Anne Baxter and today we're going to do a little festive wall hanging with Rudolph with his embellished antlers. This is straightforward applique that I've done using steamer seam or bonder web or any of those other fusible webbings that you can use for applique. Just finished off with a little bit of light hand quilting, and those words don't slip from my lips very often, hand quilting, but I have actually hand quilted this, and I've done tiny little sort of almost like stars or crosses on the background here with a thread the same colour as my background fabric so that it's not contrasting or making a huge statement. It's just a little bit of background texture. And I finished with this binding.